So before you begin setting up your website, you obviously need to come up with a domain name. For this course, but let's go over hosting very quickly. So I'm going to be using Weebly as the hosting, but you are also welcome to use WordPress. In fact, in the examples I'm going to show you, WordPress was used as well. Now I personally use Weebly because it makes creating your website so much easier. So now back to the domain name. You want to pick something crypto related, obviously since you are making a Bitcoin affiliate website. It honestly does not have to be anything difficult so long as the visitors coming to your website know that it's Bitcoin related. So here are just some examples to get you started and really get your juices going. My website is called CryptoCoinstack.com. It's a bit unique, but I did that for myself. And it does not have to be that way, but here are just some basic examples. The first one is FastBitcoins.com. It's very simple. EarnBitcoinsWithMe.com. CryptocurrencyHub.com. And again, these three sites might already be taken, but I just wanted to give you some examples to not really stress out about the name. So long as a simple website like this is available, it's really going to help you and bring in more visitors to your website. So that's just something that I really needed you to know. Now I recommend buying your website with GoDaddy and using this simple trick to save a lot of money. Now remember, we're just buying our domain here, and we're not going to be buying our hosting with GoDaddy. We're going to be buying our hosting with Weebly. So we're going to buy our domain with GoDaddy, connect it to our Weebly account, which will be hosting it. So what you want to do first is go over here to the domain, just type in any one you want. I'm going to do Fast Bitcoin just as an example for you guys. Then click on Search Domain. Now again, this one is probably already taken, so it's not going to really show up a lot. Yeah, it's already been taken, but that's alright. As you can see, the prices for a .com URL are very small, so all you have to do is add one to the cart, added, and then just go to the Checkout Now section. And that's pretty much it. You just have one URL here, fastbitcoin.us. Now I'm not going to buy it, but just for this example, that's all you have to do. You just have to find a domain name that you like related to Bitcoin and add it to your cart and just leave it there. So in a few days, what's going to happen is that GoDaddy is going to send you an email asking you why you haven't finished the purchase. And because they want to make money. So later on, they're going to attach a coupon code in the email that they send you in order to give you a large discount. So simply click on the link in their email and then purchase your domain name with the discount. Now for me, when I did it, I think it took around a day, but it can take anywhere from around a day to maybe 3 or 4 days. But it really is worth it. Even though the domain doesn't really cost that much, it really is gonna really help out and save you some money. Once you are finished creating and obtaining your domain name through GoDaddy and using the trick to save you a lot of money, now it's time to create a logo. Now creating a logo really does make you more of a professional person in this cryptocurrency world and really builds a lot more trust. So here's an example of mine. And mine's a bit more complex. Since mine's CryptoCoinstack, I just did a couple of coins falling. And you can also do a favicon as well, which is a little mini version of your icon, which is at the very top left of each web page. Now that's optional, but I personally really like it and adds a nice touch. Now, again, here's my website. I need to put it here as well. But here, if you go to Fiverr, this is exactly where I got my logo done. All I did was go to logo design and I searched for one logo designer who I really liked and just paid him to make a logo for very cheap. and it's really good. There are a lot of professionals on here, more and more being added as well. Now if you want to have a more wider range of options, you can also go to 99 Designs, where it's just like the website says. People come here and really give you a lot of designs, and you get to choose which one you like, either that or you get your money back. So either Fiverr or 99 Designs work really well. Finally, to wrap things up, create at least 2 social media accounts. And all you're going to do in these accounts is update them as soon as you update your website. So it's not a lot of work. So here's the first one for Facebook, and all I did was create a simple Facebook page for my Bitcoin business and post whenever I post and update my website. The second one is a Twitter page. You simply post here as well whenever you update your website at all. And it really just takes a few minutes to create, but will greatly assist you in your SEO and backlink work. So now that we went over the basics of how to create a website, it's now time to go over some examples to show you how to better create your website. So in the next lecture, let's move on to showing you some example websites more thoroughly to give you better ideas on creating your own.